Be honest and tell me if you have ever felt like everything is falling apart, but you still gotta keep moving.
Today is day 6 of still showing up, and life threw a lot of curveballs at me today. Distractions, chaos, plans getting cancelled, and whatnot. But did I quit? Nope. I completed my work day as planned, like whatever I wanted to do, I did that. बट द टाइमिंग वॉज डिफरेंट क्योंकि मुझे कुछ काम की वजह से मैं ऑक्यूपाई हो गया, तो मैंने टाइम थोड़ा एक्सटेंड किया, बट मैंने पूरा काम अपना कंप्लीट किया. आई वर्कड आउट, आई डिड माई कॉन्टेंट, नाउ आई हैव फूड एंड आई गो आउट विद माई फ्रेंड्स. बट द क्वेश्चन इज, वाज आई ऑन फायर समथिंग? नो. डिड आई गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड? यस. ओवर थिंकिंग हुई? हाँ हुई. And it's all human feeling, so it happens because मैं भी इंसान ही. Just say this: some days showing up means smashing each and every goal that you had for the entire day, and some days it definitely feels like just holding the line, whether it might be writing one content piece, working on your idea, or just opening the camera and recording a video when your energy feels off. So if you have stories about fighting through these days, drop them, because your bad days is also the part of the journey. So let's talk about it. बबलू बंद कर भाई, भूख लगी है, बाहर भी चलने का है. कल मिलते हैं अपनी जनता से. We'll meet tomorrow.